You get to take a sneak peek into my proprietary fast growth strategy laid out in the pages here of Mastering Workshops That Sell. It would typically take several months to bring on a major consulting client because it took that long for a client to commit to $25,000 a month commitment. That's a $250,000 decision. However, the shift from selling to serving had clients enrolling themselves to our next step in our sales cycle. So here, let me lay out the sales process. I was able to have lower level skill reps get on the phone for the 15-minute business breakthrough sessions to share profound breakthroughs on how to overcome their greatest challenges they had in getting their businesses to where they want it to be. And 30% of those cold leads would convert into a $250 investment for a workshop. My workshop's titled The Ultimate Business Breakthrough Experience, so they can learn how to implement the strategy that was shared on that free call. However, let's not forget, 70% do not buy on the spot, but they still receive free content and how to implement what they learned on that call. And many of them would go on to buy a book and eventually become a raving fan versus what? Having reps break rapport with their prospects because you're pushing them to meet sales quotas and to make more deals. So now you have a jaded prospect who simply just said no to a sales call. So bottom line, having a sales cycle shifted from several months down to 2.5 weeks, that's freaking huge because we created an environment for them to experience the reflection of what it would look and feel like to be a client. That was the real secret behind the secret of doubling sales 3 years in a row. So click on the link right now and give you access to chapter 3 for free, and I'll see you on the inside.